Hi mates, welcome back to my YouTube channel RAMS CAD. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we'll solve the practice problem number 1.8 of CSW. Here is the practice problem number 1.8. You can see all the dimensions given here, and MMGS unit is what we have to use. The part's origin is located. Here is the origin, you can see. The part is symmetric, all sketches are fully defined, alright, and the dimensions are given here. So let's start making the model. We'll choose the plane first. So for this origin point, you can see it here, right, in the center bottom of the complete model, right? So I'll design it accordingly. So I'll make a sketch like this. And this line will be for construction. Okay, I'll mirror it. So you can see we got this profile. I will put the dimensions now, and you can see here the right angle, right? This is very important. Okay, so the dimensions are 200 mm, 50 mm, total height is 125 mm, and these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, now this one is 175, so the extrude is 175 mm. So we are half done making the model. Now we'll draw this part. I'll do the same thing. We'll draw the half sketch and then mirror it. Okay, this actually saves times. So the sketch will be like this. This will be vertical, and the construction line, I'll mirror it. So this one, and the center of this line, this will be in the center. 15 mm. This height is also 15 mm. Total height from the bottom is 100 mm, and from the side this is 50 mm. Before extruding this, I'll have to make some changes in the last extrude. As you can see that the origin shifted, right? So I'll change the extrude to mid plane like this. Now you can see the origin is in the center bottom of the part. I'll go in the sketch again. You'll see it in the bottom center, and extrude to 200 mm. So this is what the dimensions were given. We are done making the part. We'll now cross verify the volume given. So the volume we got is 2928250 cubic mm, and the volume given here is 2928250 mm cube. That means the model we made is exactly with the dimensions. The volume matches and the dimensions are all okay. That's all for today. We'll see you in the next part modeling. Thank you.